Cirkopolis is set in a city where it's really grey, it's really constructive. We are all walking in the same direction, but then towards the show we show more and more on yourself, or our own color, and it becomes lighter and brighter as we go.
There is one main character that kind of follows through this city and is like, yeah, gets lost and finds himself and makes friends, maybe in strangers.
Like each act is a little bit of dive into our own world, because everyone goes to work every day and they have the same routine, but we don't really know what's in their little room at home. And to me, it's that to be able to see a little bit of each person or each individual. One of the directors of Cirkopolis is Dave St. Pierre. He's a really good choreographer in Montreal, and he's put a lot of work into putting that contemporary dance inside of us.
As well as having that, you've got people that can throw themselves up in the air and do double, triple, big somersaults, juggle, you know, handstand, hand to hand, and all this. So basically, it's a multidisciplinary show that has that strong dance base, but has a lot more to give.
Un vent tout léger serpente sur ta joue.
In traditional circus, people all have their own specialty. It's really like they have one act pretty much and then they are over for the show. But for us, we are there throughout the whole show. And we all have our own discipline that we master, but we mastered as well many other disciplines. And so I'm in the show pretty much like the 3/4 of the show. I'm on stage doing different stuff.
There's a good, healthy blend between the physical acrobatics, the physical acting, the dancing, the music that supports that, and the video that just combines and brings everything in together and concentrates and condenses everything to what's happening on the stage for what, an hour and a half. The full creation started at the beginning of 2012. We had the full cast from May through to the end of June, July. Premiered in Helsinki in September. Very intense, very, you know, blood, sweat and tears, as the phrase goes. Since we created Cirkopolis, it's continued to evolve and to grow and to gain momentum, and the people support it more and more.